I will show you how to verify your email on ClassDojo app. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Open ClassDojo like this. And when you open it, guys, what you should do, you have to click on verify email. Click on it and going to take you directly on your email. So from here, you can, they will send you like a verification code. You should click on it and confirm your email from it like this. Click on confirm email and it's going to take you back to the ClassDojo app, and you have to wait little, and then they will verify your email. And as you can see, your email address has been verified. Click continue and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and